1 to 11 The bow part of the hull. Bending the plywood parts 1, attach parts 2 and 3 to the plywood glued 4 to 7. The whole grid is supplemented with parts 8 to 11. (24 to 37 Strengthening ribs. Glue the two surfaces of each element together, bending the plywood outside. The ribs are glued to glued hull meshes in the marked places. The numbering of the ribs corresponds to the order of pasting. After we forming parts 2 and 3 according to cross sections of reinforcement ribs, which will be pasted into the finished net parts 24 to 28. In the place where the rib 24 is to be pasted, an incision should be made along the marked line. Arrow on these elements indicate the front and top of the hull. A similar designation has other parts glued on the sides. 19 to 23 Middle part of the hull. Add parts 20 and 21 to the bent plywood of parts 19, and then the parts 22 and 23 on their plywood. We glue the finished hulls together. 38 to 43. The strips are glued to the sides below the bending line according to markings on the sides. (12 to 18 Stern part of the hull. We glue it in a similar way to the forebody. It is necessary to anchor that the longitudinal axes of the elements form one line. It should also be checked on a flat table surface. Desks or bottom edges of the sides are on one level.